Good morning, students. As we have started our chapter with the rock, minerals, and soil, we have already discussed about the rocks and we have discussed about the igneous rock. Igneous rock are formed by the cooling solidification of magma. And about the magma, what is magma? Magma is a hot, viscous fluid that is present below the earth's surface. And the what is the constituent of magma means it is made up of different minerals. Now the next question is, what is lava? When the lava means it is actually a magma. When the magma come upon the surface, then it is also called as lava. Means the difference between magma and lava is, magma is the liquid that is present below the earth's surface, then it is called as magma. When this liquid come to the outer surface, then it is known as the lava. Okay, this is very important. Now the next question is, what are the types of the igneous rocks? As we have discussed about three types of rock: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Now the question is, what are the types of the igneous rock? There are two types of igneous rocks. One is the extrusive rock and second one is the intrusive rock. Extrusive rock is the rock that is formed on the earth's surface by cooling of the lava or the magma, and the intrusive rock that is formed below the earth's surface by cooling of magma or lava. Okay, you can see in the figure that extrusive rock that is present outside by cooling when the lava come out to the earth's surface, and intrusive rock by the cooling of the magma inside. Intrusive means inside the earth's surface, formed underground. Okay, so now the common igneous rock examples include the granite, second pumic stone or the pumic igneous rock, third one is basalt. We will discuss in detail. Number 1, granite. Granite is the most well known igneous rock, characterized by its coarse grainy appearance. The granular appearance comes from the formation of small crystals that can be seen within the rock. It is light in color due to the presence of high levels of minerals. Okay, we are using the granite minerals at our home for the flooring purpose. Next is the pumic rock. Pumic rock is formed from lava that is full of gases. When the lava is thrown out along with fire through the air during eruption, then the pumic rock is formed. The lava moves quickly through the air if it is cool and the gases escape, leaving the rock full of holes. Now the question is, why the pumic rock have holes? Pumic rock have holes because lava moves very quickly through the air and gases also removed from this rock, and the holes, some pores will left behind in this rock. So the pumic rock is famous for their high porosity. It is very lighter in weight. It is the only rock that is float in the water. So it is also known as the floating rock. Now the question is, what is the use of the pumic rock? Pumic rock is used in cosmetics as known as the pumic stone. We are using the pumic stone for cleaning our foot dry skin in our daily life. And what is the use of pumic stone in industry? In the industrial laundry, it is used for the stone washing. The building industry use it as a thermal insulation, means it is used as the insulating materials. Okay, now the last is the basalt. Basalt is also an igneous rock. It is a very smooth and hard rock that is made when volcanic spit out pieces of lava. Means it is also formed when the volcanoes come out and lava also come out. It is very common on earth's surface like granite, but this common rock is formed underground. This rock has dark colored fine grained rock. Mineral grains are so fine that they are impossible to be identified with naked eyes. Basalt rock are volcanic in origin. They are formed by rapid cooling and hardening of lava flows. Some basalt are a kind of intrusive igneous rocks which have cooled inside the earth interior. Okay, so basalt is very hard. People used to often use basalt. Okay, so this is about the rocks. So what we have discussed about today, about the igneous rock, how they are formed, types of the igneous rock, examples of the igneous rock, basalt, granite and pumic stone. Okay, thank you. If you have any query, either call me or message me. Okay.